The configuration of all CommonCore plugins is divided into 5 parts. The first part, called General, is only used by the plugin. It is not used by the CommonCore. The other parts, Messages, Items, Recipes, and Inventories, are used by the CommonCore, but they can be also used by the plugin. Now, let's proceed to the Messages part. All messages of the plugin are located in the Messages part. There are multiple important parts of this Messages part. The first is Logo. It is a plugin logo which you can use in other messages, and it is also used when the plugin locks some messages into the console. All messages support color formatting using the paragraph sign. If you do not know how to write the paragraph symbol, you can type it using Alt-21. There is also the part default command, which will be written to the player when he uses the plugin command without any arguments. You can use the logo abbreviation by typing %logo in any message, and it will replace the %logo with the logo message. Some plugins also support various abbreviations. These are message parts starting with %. The plugin will replace these abbreviations with some other piece of text. However, different plugins support different abbreviations. The abbreviation %logo is supported in all CommonCore plugins. Now let's look at an example. This is the part of configuration from UltraChess plugin. As you can see, the logo is specified right here. The %logo abbreviation is also used in other messages. The messages are self-explanatory by their name. There is also the default command, where the abbreviation logo is also used. The default command and item registered are multi-line messages. If you do not know how to use multi-line messages, please refer to the previous part of this tutorial series.